What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today I'm at Goodwill. Let's get down and check it out. Alright, so I'm getting out of the truck here. Guys, stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to be putting some bonus content. I keep trying to do that on all these videos from Goodwill. I go to other places sometimes and I still record, and I don't want to do an individual video for 30 seconds of content. I prefer not to do shorts of that. So stick around till the end if you can. Much appreciated. If you guys can comment, like, share this video with your friends, family, that'll help me out a ton. Alright, here we go. Walking into Goodwill. The tags are going to be the same. Green is 75% off. Military Day. It's a nice little setup they did here. TVs. Nice little chair. 2-piece set. So that sofa's still here. $15. Bed frame's still here. As always, like I say, there's the belts. Excuse me. Here at the back, we got some doggy cages. That sofa's still there. Oh, that might be a good pickup here for $10. I think it's expired. I'll hold on to it. Maybe we find something else. I'll look it up once I'm done recording. Let's go see if we can get to the electronics. I see a little Hot Wheel thing here. A little remote control. $6? I don't think so. Pass on that. Here's a little nightlight. 99 cents. Let's go see if we can go to the... Yeah, it looks like a clear path over that way. I don't want to record people. So, here's the shoes. These are nice looking Nikes. Don't know about shoes to be flipping them. I bought some in the past. I think I sold like 2 pairs and I have 10 listed. So probably not a good deal for me right now. There's a GE. That's a good juicer. Yeah. I'm trying to get to the media section, but as soon as I mention it, it always happens. Same old FIFA. I don't see anything else. I haven't put out games in a while. Barbie? No. There's the music section. There's Monsters Inc. and Buzz Lightyear. I think those are learning things. I'm gonna look those up right now when we finish up this recording. Yeah, guys, that's it as far as here in the media. I'll let you guys know if I pick up anything. That's it for recording. Alright, guys, just left Goodwill. Picked up these Nikes. Man, I don't know shoes, but they look pretty good. They were $8. From what I researched, they sell for about $50, hopefully. Hopefully those are the right pair. I picked up this Angry Bird plush for $1.99. Actually, the shoes were on sale. No, they weren't on sale. Not the shoes. Oh my god, my arm. There's two purple items. This was on sale for 75 cents. They had a discount. I picked up this little weller, and there's a bunch of little accessories for like the weller, like for sanding and stuff, little things. And I got this. If you watched the beginning of the video, you saw me grab this. This was on sale too. I got it for $7.50. Really don't know, but I looked them up and they sold for 35 bucks, close to 40 with shipping. So hopefully that's a good little pickup. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for here. All right, guys, so I'm here to check out a car. It's a Mitsubishi Eclipse. Nice little car that I saw in the pictures. Let's see what it looks like in person. So here we are. It looked a lot better in the pictures. It's missing a little paint in the front. Got some damage in the front end here. Exterior looked pretty good. Looks like they just painted it. Looked like it had some rust issues before. I came to check this out. It's in the middle of the street, but it looks good. Let's see if they'll show it to me. I don't know who it belongs to. Let's see what it sounds like. It's a GT. Alright, guys, so I just checked out that Eclipse. It's going to be a pass. The front end's been wrecked. The paint job was really nice on that car. The interior was it was left needing. Didn't have AC. The stereo was stolen. On the right hand side of the dashboard, there was a piece missing. When I drove it, as soon as I put it in gear and moved forward, it jumped. So I guess it needs a motor mount. That's what the guy was saying. I could see an oil leak. I test drove it because I went over there to check it out. I wasn't just gonna look at it and leave and waste the guy's time. So I test drove it, and it needs brakes, needs shocks. It felt like I was floating in a boat in waves with with the way the shocks were. So brakes, shocks, front end damage, no airbag, service engine. I decided to pass. It was a 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Like I said, really nice paint job. Looked like they had just painted it. And 154,000 miles with a 6-cylinder engine. It's really the reason I was interested in it, because of the 6-cylinder engine. It wasn't a standard, it was an automatic, but beggars can't be choosers. But I went ahead and passed on that one, guys, so let's move on to the next one.